Howdy ho, and very merry Sunday to y'all. Damn, I sound southern. Howdy ho, and a very merry Sunday to y'all. It's yeah, Sunday. I'm out riding here. Jimmy couldn't come today, so I brought a spare. Who's with me? Any guesses?
How's it going, guys?
Yeah, Mr. Matti, and we are here in Espoon Kansallispuisto. And what do we got ahead of us here on this trail?
Just in front of us, we've got a bit of an uphill that pretty much since I started riding back in like '94, that was kind of the thing. If you could ride up this hill, you'd be some boy. So to this day, it's a difficult one, and we'll see if we can get up it. It's a bit slippery today, but we'll see. You know, that's a true man challenge.
Yes, it's like a Bon Jovi record, slippery when wet. So yes, we're gonna see if it's all rideable today. So this is gonna be fun. If you gotta be dumb, you gotta be tough.
You ain't getting up too far, mate.
I don't think I'm gonna get it today. But it's like on my list of shit to do. Huh? Yeah.
Oh mate, you ain't got any chance straight lining it.
It's damn slippery. Oh, come on. Take two. Oh.
I think it's better to try to go around the outside.
Yeah, like this over here.
Oh no, not start a little bit further back and then go to the left, and I think that'll be, if you're gonna make it, that's the way you're gonna do it. You ain't gonna be able to go. We'll give it a shot.
Yeah, you're riding hardtail.
That's right.
All right. Yeah, boy. I can't even walk this shit. Oh. I sort of start getting this whole picture of this.
Take two.
Yeah. Come on, come on! Nice!